Good morning class, myself Jiaram Chaudhary. Today I discuss with you about gravitations. What is the meaning of the gravitations? So we all know meaning of the gravitations, but actual this word gravitations have many meaning. The gravitation is the force of the attraction between two objects in the universe. Gravitation may be the attraction of the object by the earth. So some example of the gravitations I can tell you. And if a body is dropped from a certain height and it fall downward due to the earth, is it is a gravitation. And when we throw any object in upward, then after a certain distance an object is fall down. This is due to the earth gravitations. Gravitation may be the attraction between object in outer surface, and attraction between the earth and moons, and attraction between the suns and planets. And I discuss with you about the universal law of the gravitation. So the universal law of the gravitation is state that every object in the universe attract every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So I consider two objects, and A and B, and these two objects have mass m1 and m2, and distance between these two objects is d. So according to the universal law of the gravitation, and force between these two objects is directly proportional to the product of mass m1 and m2, and the distance between the two objects is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between these two objects. So we can written as f is directly proportional to the m1 multiply m2 upon d square. Remove the proportionally constant g m1 m2 upon d square. So g here, g is the proportionally gravitational constant and it is have a fixed value. So we can say that g is 6.67 multiplied 10 की power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kilogram square. This is the value of the g. It is the fixed value of the g, and it is the gravitational constant, and f is the force between these two objects. If question comes in the exam, then it is directly asked about the gravitation force, and m1 is given is 10 and m2 is 20, and distance between m1 and m2 is 2. Then we use formula f equal to g m1 m2 upon d square. Directly put the value in formula f equal to g. We know the value of the g is equal to 6.67 into 10 की power minus 11. 6.67 into 10 की power 11 multiply m1 equal to 10 by 20 upon d. D is equal to 2 square. To solve this equation, 6.67 गुना 10 की power 11 multiply 200 upon 4. 6.67 10 की power 11 multiply 50. The value of the g is 6.67 multiply 10 की power 11 multiply 50. Then we got answer of the force, and unit of the force is Newton, SI unit of the force.